Hi, my name is Anya, and today I really want to show you how to make some candied walnuts. They can be used as decoration on cakes or desserts, or a simple snack. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload. I upload every day, Monday to Friday.
On a baking tray, spread out your walnuts. Place them into an oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes, or until the walnuts are fragrant and slightly golden. Place in a bowl to cool down. In a pot over medium heat, add in a half a cup of sugar, I used a spatula to mix the sugar. You want to keep the sugar moving, otherwise it will burn. The sugar will start to melt. And you should end up with this lovely golden runny syrup. Turn the heat off and add in your walnuts. Mix well and make sure the walnuts are completely coated. Pour your mixture onto a lined baking tray. I lined my baking tray with a silicone mat, but you can also use baking paper. Please be careful, melted sugar is extremely hot. I used 2 forks to spread out the mixture. Allow this mixture to cool completely, about 20 to 30 minutes. Break into pieces. I absolutely love the sound that these candied walnuts make. Enjoy some candied walnuts.